I am back for another plan with me for the week of September 10th. I feel like I'm like the copycat planner. I watch all these videos from various awesome YouTubers and then I just have to have it. And so today I am going to copycat plan from YouTuber Planning and Praying. That's how she is on YouTube, but she is Lisa Mac Plans, I believe. I'll leave a link in the description bar down below. I saw a video that she just recently posted, and although I don't have the exact stickers, I like the style that she did. So I am going to do my planning for this week very similar to her style, and I'll post a link to the video that I copycatted. So if you want to see how it turned out, just keep watching. Okay, so first I am going to take my pages out of the book because I have learned that it is better and easier to do it without the book. And the first thing I want to do is get rid of this. And I have here we go. The wording kind of gets in the way of the washi tape. And I'd rather just have visible washi tape versus the words that will come through here. I'm okay with that. And I'll fix that part later. Alright, so I am going to use my Agenda 52 my Agenda 52 sticker book. I am going to use the LOL, and here is the SKU number right there. I'm going to use that one, the LOL. I may use I got this from AC Moore. They were $20, I believe, but I got it on sale for $10. And it's an American craft. So they are very new to me. I don't know much about American craft, but there's the information. This is a religious sticker book, or a faith sticker book. And so I will use that. LOL, Agenda 52, and I'm going to use this sticker book as well. I don't know what it's called, and I apologize. And if I use anything else, I will show you guys what I'm using as I go. Alright, so the first thing I am going to do is use my LOL washi that I got from Hobby Lobby. It came in a roll. Like this. So that is my LOL washi, and I'm going to cover the bottom. And I'll show you guys a picture of how Lisa did hers. She actually used a thicker washi, and I do have some thick washi, but I feel like it doesn't match what I am going to put on here. So throughout the video, you'll see that I will speed it up just for the sake of time. I didn't want to bore you guys too long. This original video was 45 minutes long, and I had to chop it up real good for you. washi tape in a couple of places, and they didn't cover all the lines. And so you'll see in her video where her lines were black and mine are green, which kind of matches the layout. And so I'm just mimicking hers somewhat. Not completely. I like the style. So the style is what I'm going for, but not necessarily. And I find when I try to copycat people, I've already used the stickers that they're using. But I don't know. I just like the term copycat planner. Tried doing the credit card thing. I've seen other planners using the like gift card or the credit card to cut these, but I have been extremely unsuccessful with doing that, and I end up messing up the washi tape, which for me is annoying. And so I don't know why that just didn't. Alright, so I'm good with it right there. Bam. And then she also had washi tape on this page right here. All right. And again, in her video, she used thicker washi. And if you hear a noise in the background, it's raining here. It's actually at night. It's 11 o'clock at night. And it's raining, and I have a window open, so there's a breeze. And my shades and curtains are blowing, as well as like the string on the curtain. So that's some weird noise that you'll hear in the background. I am going to cover most of this up. So from the Choose Happy, I am going to use this this green sticker, and I am going to cover I'm going to cover, let's see how this is going to turn out. I don't know, because this sticker isn't as wide as I would like or need it to be. So we're about to find out how this is going to play out. And she has some flowers on here, and I'm not normally one for flowers, but she uses flowers, and I've never cut them before, so she uses flowers. And sorry, that wasn't in view. So I am actually going to use, here we go, I'm actually going to use some flowers. Now, which ones is a whole nother, or should I first put my, let me pick a, perfect green. I don't know which one, thinking of one of these two to put on, from with the all green or the green with the, let's just have a pop of blue. I love these LOL stickers. I drove an hour. Honestly, I drove an hour. Will that cover? You know what? That'll cover most. So I'm actually going to put it here. That's not what was going to go there, but like looking for things that are inspirational, things that will motivate me through the week, so that if I'm having a bad day, not when, if, just so happens I'm having a bad day, I go to my planner, because my planner is kind of like therapy for me, and I can look at something and be encouraged. In the Bible, it tells us that David encouraged himself in the Lord. And therefore, I am also going to do the same. Can I actually put it over the flower? I could. Over the flowers, because there was supposed to be a quote there. So, beautiful minds inspire others. And then we have, now hers actually has lines, and I don't have lines, but I do have some dots. I always get so nervous pulling these stickers off. Oh, I see why I couldn't do it down there, because, okay. All right. Alright, hopefully that is not too off. Oh, I think that's pretty good. Okay. Whew. In this sticker book are the dots and the remember stickers. So hopefully I will have enough. Oh, and today is Sunday, so people are taking out their trash. So there's just like a lot of noise. So I don't know if y'all can hear, because I'm like, what is going on? I'm hearing like some extra stuff. And that is why, because it's actually Sunday. Normally I would have, well, I did record one yesterday, so I would have recorded one yesterday and posted it, but that actually will get posted together. And then this is for Friday. And then we need some more dots, but at least be on the line. All right. So this is where I'm at so far. Then she has a real big person right there. And I don't have that real big person, but I'm going to go to my Agenda 52, where they have some very cute girls up in here, up in here. And I am going to use this young lady right here with the red shoes, since red is my favorite color. And I am going to place her. I am going to place her more so here, because I kind of do use my Sunday to write in some plans. And so alright, so she's over the shoes. I'm okay with that, I guess. She's there now, so I'm definitely okay with it now that she's there. And then we got, I think, a little bitty flower right here. So I got the flowers from the Choose Happy Planner. Choose Happy Planner. Just use a little. It feels like it. So here is the whole spread. And I will post a picture of Lisa so you can see how I kind of copycatted her style. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Thank you guys again for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and be notified of every time I post a video. Thanks again for watching.